Within the art of bonsai, there are many terms that you may not be familiar with. In this lecture, we are going to learn the names of the most important terms and the meaning of them, because we are going to mention all these words along this course. And it is very important that you understand everything that I will be talking about. Some of these terms are in Japanese. Now, let's see the terms.
A bonsai pot is a pot specially made to plant bonsai. It can be made of ceramic, porcelain, or concrete. The foliage is the group of all leaves that a bonsai or a pre-bonsai has at the time. The apex is the highest point of a tree, which can be a single branch or a group of small branches. Movement is the curves in a trunk or the branches. The base is the width of the lower part of the trunk. The nebari are the visible roots above the soil. Tapering is when the trunk or branches becomes thinner or narrower towards one end, from bottom to top in the trunk and from start to end in the branches. Reverse tapering is when a part of the trunk or branches start becoming wider, going from bottom to top in the trunk and from start to end in the branches. Primary branches. These are the branches that sprout directly from the trunk. Secondary branches. These are the branches that sprout from primary branches. Tertiary branches. These branches sprout from the secondary branches. Trim is the cutting of branches. Node is the growth point on a branch or trunk from which leaves, leaf buds, and shoots can appear. Internode is the section of growth between two leaves in a branch. Petiole is the slender stalk by which a leaf is attached to the stem. Opposite leaves trees is when three species grows a pair of leaves for each node. Alternate leaves trees is when three species grows only one leaf for each node. Defoliation. This is a type of pruning where all leaves in a bonsai are pruned. Dieback. When a portion of a branch begins to die backwards to a certain point when we make a cut in that same branch. Clip and grow is a pruning technique to make a tree acquire more ramification with natural aspect. Replanting. Taking a bonsai or pre-bonsai out of its current pot and plant it again in the same pot or a new one with new substrate. Substrate is the material on which a bonsai or pre-bonsai grows. Pre-bonsai is a tree with great potential to be a bonsai, but has not yet been trained or is already in training. Training. This term is used when a tree is being developed towards converting it into a bonsai. Kurama. Ceramic or concrete pot designed with certain form to make them look like hollow stones, made to plant a bonsai or a kusamono. Kusamono, potted collection of plants designed to be viewed either in accompaniment with bonsai or alone. They may be planted in bonsai pots, but they are not considered bonsai. They are also called accent plants. Deadwood. This word is used when a bonsai has a natural portion of wood that is dead, or when we take a live portion of the tree and we carve it to make an artistic expression with the wood. Yamadori, pre-bonsai material collected from the wild. Bonsai front, the angle of the bonsai or pre-bonsai that is the most interesting to the eye. In this short video, we also can see the side, the back, the other side, and at the end we can see again the front of this pre-bonsai. I have included all these terms in a document inside this lecture, just in case you need to review them. Remember that you need to get familiarized with these terms in order to understand when I mention them in the following lectures.